Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Tree Magic. Today we're going to show you the best and the greatest car magic trick that we created and we didn't learn it, and we can say that it's a kind of made up, but it's so great that you can fool several people at the same time. It's so great that you just need a little practice. So yeah, and before we start the performance and we start the trick, we should add this and we should say that we're so sorry you couldn't upload videos this week completely because you were on a vacation. So yeah, there wasn't a good table and that problem that we had. And one more thing that we should add is that the schools are open 2 weeks later or something like that. We don't know at the exact time, but we have a lot of pressure, so we cannot upload videos as always as we did these times. And maybe a video per week or a video per 2 weeks. So yeah, we are telling that we cannot upload videos like always, but of course we will try our best and we will upload videos as many as you want in a week, but it's not really up to us. So yeah, let's get started. So now you start to shuffle the cards. The spectator can do it too, it's not important. So yeah, we know that our cards they are shuffled, so yeah, we can show it. It's not important. And one more time I will shuffle it too. Don't think that I look at the cards and remember something. So yeah. Now we tell the spectator that choose a card or tell stop. They will say stop. This would be their card. I should not see it, and we will just show it to the camera. So right now, I hope that the camera will get it. Okay. Now again, tell them to say stop, to put the sound in the middle of the deck. As soon they say stop right here. Okay, start to cut the cards. Even we can shuffle the cards. Again. Okay. That should be enough. Right now, we make the deck into two piles. Even the spectator can do that too. And if the spectator wants it, you can shuffle the cards. Okay. We'll do this quick, so yeah, the video don't feel so long. Okay. Right now, again we make the these two piles into four piles. Okay. And like this. So right now we tell us, okay, do you wanna each pile where do you wanna be each pile? They'll say this pile, on this pile, and this pile maybe on this pile. Don't think that we did something, and this pile and this pile. Again, now we cut the cards and start to shuffle the cards. We have, and now we tell the spectator to say a number between 1 to 50. 1 to 15 or 20. It's not important. This is up to you. Well, yeah, they will say 14. We'll count from 1 to 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, and we don't need the rest of it. Right now, if the spectator wanted, we should shuffle the card. So yeah, we will shuffle it. So yeah, to make everything clear and fair. So right now again, we tell them to please say a number. This time it should be from 1 to 10. It should be lower than the previous number. So we will assume that they say maybe 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't need the rest of it. And now again, tell a number, or before that you shuffle the cards. Right now, tell them again, please tell it no lower number. They say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You remove the rest of it. Now Again, we start to shuffle it. Okay. Right now, tell them please tell a number between 1 to 4 because it's 4 cards. Look. They will say maybe 2. 2. 1, 2. Okay, you'll move it. Now we tell us just we have 2 cards. Please pick a card. They will say I want this card. Okay, we'll say okay. So we will remove this card and 1 card is just left. We will say what was the card for the first time. They will say I don't know. I hope that it would be the 7 of diamonds. I hope that would be your card. So yeah, this was a performance. It was very very great and we hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So here's the tutorial. Well, we don't need to cut the video, so we will teach you quick. So now, as we said, you can do it with the spectators deck of cards too. It's not important. Now we know that everything is clear and fair. Yeah, this way it doesn't require any setup. So yeah, now we tell the spectator to choose a card. They'll say we will choose this card. We should not see it and we should show this to the spectator like this. But this is the tutorial, so you will see it too. It's 4 of hearts. 4 of hearts. So yeah, again we tell them to put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. This move that we want to do right now, well, we teach it for several times. Actually, in every video, we're so sorry about the mistakes in our speaking. We'll try to improve it in each video. So right now, we have tutorial this move for several times. Actually, in our videos. So yeah, and now actually we think that it's pinky break. You use your pinky to break from this pile and this pile. And now like this. Here is great and here we have a pinky. And now we start to cut the cards like this. Now this spaghetti card is at the top of the deck. Look, let me show you. Sorry, our deck is not very great. It's here. Okay, and you start to do some fake shuffles. The top card, it should be top card. This trick, you cannot do it very well for the magicians, actually, because magicians pinky break, fake shuffles, and this thing, the magician, they need very very great tricks, and yeah, you have to know that. But for a normal people, like your family or relatives, they don't know this trick if they are not magician, and this would be very 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 great, because actually we done it yesterday in a party, was with our friends. Well, they really like it and they didn't know what should they say, and it was that great. So right now, look, it's 4 of hearts. Right now we tell the spectator that do you want to make it into 2 pile or I would make it. Right now you should know that there is a card. Now this pile is not important how you shuffle it. We can do it in many ways, but okay. But this pile, we will shuffle it for 2 times. For the first time, we should just grab this. Let me focus on it. First card onto the into the last card. You move it into the last card like this. Now it's let me show you again. After that, here's like this. And for the second shuffle, again we this bottom card, that this is a spectator card, should move it to the top card like this. Look, when we got it to the, let me focus on it, when we got to the last card, should go one by one and like this. So yeah, it's fake shuffled, maybe you know it, but it's so easy. You can do it in many ways. Even if you can't, you cannot do not shuffle the cards, or you can do a riffle shuffle like this and like this. This shuffle make your trick more real, and like this. Now it's stopped again. Right now you will make it into 4 piles like so. And now we should notice that the spectator card is here. And now we what we do, we tell them that, you know, where do you want this file, on this file, where do you want to be, you know. Well, they will say this file on this file. When they will say this file on this file, what should we do? We should again do a pinky break. We'll pick up this file and the file that is so important, like this. They will say this one on this file. When we are putting it, you should do a pinky break again. And now they will tell us this file like on this file. And now again we start to shuffle the cards. It's fake cut. Yeah, so yeah, it's here. Now we tell them that we will make this part quick so the video time wouldn't be so, you know, long. We'll say them that we'll tell them to pick a number between 1 to 20 or any number that you want. In this, you know, time we will say a low number like 7 to make the video quick, or 10 will be enough. So right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Don't need the rest of it. Now the spectator card is at the bottom of the deck. We should you know, in any kind of ways that, you know, we should how should I say, you should do this. You should move this bottom card to the top card like this. Well, again, we do, for this time we do a overhand shuffle. We grab the, you know, the half of the, focus on it, the half of the pile. When we got to the last card, we go one by one, and now it's at the top. Well, yeah. And now again, they will tell number. Let us say 2, because, you know, each time you should, when it's at the bottom, you should do this shuffle and move it to the top of the day. It's each time you should do that. It's so important. Yeah, the spider card should not be at the last card. It should be the top card. I mean, the bottom card should not be at the bottom card. It should be at the top of the deck. And yeah, so yeah, again they will say 2, 1, 2, and now we know that the spectator card is this card. And now we tell the spectator, choose a card. We should just tell them. You should not tell them that which one, you know, you want to be removed. You should not do that. You should just tell them that pick a card or choose a card. They will say like this one. If they say this one, we will tell them that we will remove this one and this will be your card. If they will say, you know, if they say their own card, we will say what I said right now. And if they say the random card, that in this case ace of club, if they say something that the random card, so okay, you said this one, so you will remove it, and just we have left one card, and that is your card. So yeah, this was magic, and this was the, you know, whole of it. We hope that you like it. We're so sorry for our mistake in our speaking, and of course we'll try to improve it if you couldn't understand it well. So yeah, just look at it and maybe you can, you know, do it with practice. It's so important. If you can done this trick for the first time, because we really couldn't do it. So yeah, thank you for watching. We hope that you have a great day. Goodbye.